In today's video, we are going to fix the sound problem in Windows 10 with a very simple and effective method. But first, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Most Windows users face the sound issue where the audio does not work, even if all the drivers are installed correctly. The problem stays the same. No sound is playing. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to solve it easily. First, right-click on My Computer, then choose Properties. From here, open Device Manager, and the window will appear. Now, go to Sound and check that the audio drivers are already installed, just like this. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver Software. A new window will appear. Select the second option. Browse My Computer for driver software. Then again, choose the second option. Let me pick from a list. Here you will see two options. Choose High Definition Audio Device. After that, click Next, then Yes, and wait until Windows updates the drivers. This process will search for missing files or issues in your sound card and fix them automatically. When it finishes, you will see this message. Windows has successfully updated your device software. That means the update is complete. Now, click Close, and Windows will ask you to restart your computer. I will skip this step now because I'm recording the video, but you must restart your device. Now, let's move to the second method. Right-click on the sound icon from the taskbar and choose Playback Devices. A window will open showing many options. Select Speakers and right-click on it. Then, click Set as Default Device if it is not already selected. If you cannot see it, just enable Show Disabled Devices. Now, right-click again and choose Enhancements. Here, select the option, Disable all sound effects, then click Apply and OK. After that, restart your computer and test the sound. In most cases, the audio will start working without any problems. But if the sound still does not work, here's the last step. Right-click on your sound card and choose Uninstall. Then, from the top, select Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the sound driver, and your problem should be solved. Finally, if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss any of our new videos. Also, we have a Facebook group called Activated Programs. You can join us there and post any problems you face with your PC or Android. You can also request any activated programs or applications you need. I will leave the group link in the video description in case you want to join.